What's it like to get your roof replaced by ROOFLE? Well, first, you need to throw everything away that you thought you knew about buying a roof. ROOFLE isn't just the fastest way to get your roof replaced. It's an experience for homeowners like nothing you ever imagined possible. Allow me to quickly ask and answer 3 questions for you. First question, do you know how much it would cost to replace your roof if someone were to ask you? With ROOFLE, you don't have to wait a second longer. No more searching out the perfect contractor and waiting days or even weeks for a quote. Second question, do you have any idea of how many products are available to you and the differences between them all? ROOFLE has over 800 different product variations from top roofing product manufacturers. But this isn't just your normal catalog. No, this catalog is filled with educational videos and images and warranty descriptions and other comparable roofing products. And let's not forget, if you enter your address, they all have a price associated with them. Okay, third question. Have you ever wondered what your dream roof would look like? Let ROOFLE be your guide with our Roof Matcher feature, because you obviously know what's important to you, you just don't know what type of roof that is. Using simple logic, our software will walk you right up to your new roof. From the moment you say go, ROOFLE is already 10 steps ahead of you, pulling permits and building your order. Oh, wait a second. I got an email. Oh, and a text message. My site is being verified. Oh, wait, I got another one. My roof is being ordered. And another one. My roof is scheduled for installation. Oh, and another one. My products are being delivered tomorrow. I guess I should probably move my car out of the driveway. Oh, I got another one. My roof replacement is finished. Apparently, I need to tell them what I think before they close the books on this. ROOFLE was created as a way to pioneer a truly remarkable customer experience. That experience is not over until you say it's over. What's that? Oh, and yes, every roof replaced by ROOFLE comes with a 2-year workmanship warranty. Standard. If you want to revolutionize the homeowner's experience, you don't start by doing anything the same way it's always been done. This is roof replacement made simple. This is ROOFLE. Go to roofle.com now and experience it for yourself.